Hey guys! I have my puppy with me. Sorry. Welcome to my channel. He just wanted to cuddle. He just woke up from a nap and he just wanted to lay next to me, so I figured I would hold him. Oh, he's still sleepy. Look at him. Oh my gosh, I love you. But you guys, today is a really special video. I never, ever thought I would be filming this video. Ever. This video is very special to me. I can't even begin to say how grateful and thankful I am because, first off, let me tell you a little bit about her. So she has been subscribed to my channel for a very long time. She's been with me since the beginning, and you guys, she's always had the most wonderful comments. I see that she watches my entire video because she'll even go in and edit her comments and go ahead and put, you know, what happened further on in the video, and she'll do that a couple times as she watches the video because she's just such a supportive friend. And you know what? I feel completely cherished to have her in my life. I've never asked her for anything, and she has just always supported me with everything, all the time, just constantly. And I couldn't have asked for a better friend. But I just wanted to let you guys know that she sent me some gifts, and I just wanted to share everything with you guys here on my channel today. I hope you guys enjoy this look I created with one of the palettes. Now, she did send me a brand that I do want to do a first impression on, but her name is Paula Owens. It's Platina Made on Instagram. You guys might have seen her, but it's Paula Owens here on YouTube, and she is so wonderful. I guarantee you if you go to any of my videos, you will definitely see her comment floating around in there. She's just incredible, and I have made so many amazing friends on here. I can name so many right now, and all of them are just wonderful people, and I feel so special and loved that you guys follow me and you watch my videos and you support me and you guys recreate my looks and you guys share everything. So I'm just so incredibly thankful for each and every one of you that watch my videos, that comment on my videos, that like my videos, that dislike my videos, because you're also helping me. Just all of you guys. I'm just so incredibly thankful. And before I show you her gifts, I just wanted to ask you guys if you would like me to get a P.O. box, because they're kind of expensive. I have to pay for them 3 months at a time, and I've had a few people ask me, but not enough to where I would get a P.O. box. But if you guys would like me to get one, let me know, because if it's something, like if you guys want to write me letters or, you know, drawings or anything like that. I have 3 little girls. If you guys want to send them something in the mail, like, you know, a little letter or a little card, they would be so happy. Just anything, let me know, and I can definitely create a P.O. box for you guys and have it in my description. But let's get on to Paula's goodies, you guys. I'm so incredibly happy. I was blown out of the water. I was like, what just happened? Are you kidding me? So, you guys, I just wanted to say thank you again to her again. Oh my god, I'm tearing up. This is, like, really emotional. And my puppy. Oh, you want to get down now? Okay. Now my puppy has a chew toy on the floor. Sorry. Had to take a small break and dab my eyes, too, because I was getting a little emotional. Okay, so I actually was sent a BH It's My Raye Cosmetics palette. She knew that I loved rainbow and colors and bright stuff, so she sent me this beauty right here. And I actually did a look using all these today, and I did add in a Milani Hypnotic Lights. You guys, she's so sweet. She knew that I wanted the color Ursula from the Colourpop Villains collection, so she bought the whole little package with the highlighter and the lip gloss, and she sent me the actual Villains color, which is this beautiful burgundy. And you know me and my vampy lips. You guys, this is such a beautiful color. I've worn this in a few videos since I've gotten it. Alright, And she sent me another package with some more things that I'm just like, are you kidding me? She sent me the beautiful Sylvia Gani BH Cosmetics palette. This is beautiful, you guys. I'm going to do another video with this if you guys want me to. This is really pretty. It has a lot of like more fall vibey colors. So actually I think I might save this palette for a fall tutorial because these really inspire me for a fall look. They're beautiful. This color right here is so perfect. It's like a beautiful sparkling cranberry. Now I don't want to dig into it yet because I want to do some like product shots with it first. But she also sent me, y'all, she sent me not one, not two, but 3 of these Uoma Black Magic palettes. All these. I was like, what is wrong with you? I opened these up and I'm like, what were you thinking? These are beautiful. She was like, because when she messaged me, she was like, I have a few palettes to send you. I think you can use them on your channel. Or, you know, give them out for a giveaway. I'm like, I'm never giving away anything that a subscriber sends me, first of all. Secondly, when I looked at these palettes, are you kidding me? These are some of the most beautiful shadows I think I've seen. I had heard of this brand, Uoma, I think that's how you say it, Uoma. These are so, look, oh my god, this just screams fall. Oh, I dented it a little right there. These just scream fall. I don't want to swatch anything yet because I want to do product shots. But you guys, look how beautiful these are. These are so going to be on my channel for winter and fall. I mean, these are absolutely gorgeous. Look at this silver. This one is very reminiscent of Subculture. And I love Subculture. So, yes. Oh my gosh, these are such like fall vibey, just beautiful, rich colors. These shimmer shadows, I cannot wait to touch, but I can't do it yet. Don't worry, these will have their own dedicated video. I might have a summer to fall video coming out soon, and I'm gonna use one of these, definitely. And then, okay, I love colored lipsticks. I am not the biggest neutral fan. As you guys know on my channel, if you've been here a while, I prefer colored lipsticks over neutral lipsticks. I prefer colored eyeshadow over neutral eyeshadow. I just like to match my personality. So she did send me After Party, which is what I'm wearing now, from Huda Beauty. It is stunning. She sent me a whole array of fun colored lipsticks. I don't wear these kind of colors that often, but I did use some fun colors in a few of my tutorials, and you guys actually really liked it. So I'm like, okay, I need to venture out of my comfort zone and do some more fun colored lipsticks. And here is a really beautiful variety. She sent me this awesome like navy blue. This is from Karity. She said, oh, okay, I guess we'll do that one next. She sent me a beautiful chocolate brown, also from Karity. And look at this green. This is like pure army green here. Those are super adventurous. I am all about it. And then there's a beautiful Bare Minerals. This is, oh, yes. These are my colors in winter every day. And this is a gloss, so this will keep it nice and hydrated over a deeper lipstick, such as Cruella. I think it's perfect. And then she sent me a beautiful, rich red. So thank you so incredibly much, everyone, for just all your support. But thank you, Paula, for believing in me, for always being so supportive, for being such a wonderful friend, for always having the most sweetest things to say to me. I could have the worst day, and Paula, you could comment, and my day is immediately a million times better. Just because you took the time to watch my video and show me a little bit of love. And I'm just so grateful and thankful for all of you guys. But let me know if you guys do want me to get a P.O. box. I would love to get letters, cards, anything from you guys. I'm just so incredibly thankful for everyone here. I know I've said that a million times. I'm getting really choked up. I'm sorry. Before I start becoming a soppy mess, I spent a long time on this eyeshadow look. Let's keep it on. If you guys are interested in this tutorial, then just keep watching. Alright guys, sorry. My puppy decided to join in. He wants to cuddle for a little bit, so we're just gonna hold my puppy. He's probably gonna bite my earrings and lick all my makeup off my face. But I actually just put on the rest of my makeup just because I think this video might be a little long. I'm not sure yet. But I used the Alamr Cosmetics blush palette, and I used that first light orange shade right there, Castaway. And then for highlight, I used the Milani Rose Glow, and I used the gold and the pearl color. And then I did use After Party from Huda from Huda Beauty that Paula sent me for my lips. This is one of my absolute favorite lipsticks in my collection. That is all I have for this. Let me know if you guys want me to get a P.O. box. I will look into that. I know for sure if I get a P.O. box, only things from USPS can be sent. Nothing from FedEx or UPS. So if it's something that is not being shipped from USPS, I won't be able to receive it. Let me know, you guys, if that's something that you want me to do, because if it is, then I will pay the fee for a P.O. box. But that is all I have for you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!